31:26. She opened her mouth with wisdom, and her tongue is the law of kindness. Happy Mother's Day!
Mother of mine, how do I say all the love I feel today? Through every storm, through every mile, you held my hand, you made me smile. And when the world felt cold and wide, you were always by my side. With every tear, with every fall, you lifted me, you gave your all. Mother of mine, my guiding light, through the darkest days you made things right. No words could ever be enough to thank you for your endless love. You gave me strength, you taught me grace, wiped my tears and kissed my face. Through sleepless nights and dreams untold, you gave me wings, you made me bold. And when I lost my way somehow, you were there, then and now.
Hi Ma, happy Mother's Day sa'yo. Lagi kang mag-iingat dyan. Maraming salamat nga pala sa walang sawang pagmamahal, pagtulong sa akin, sa pamilya ko, kay Sayon, sa apo mo. Maraming salamat Ma. Lagi ko namang pinepray kay God na bigyan ka pa niya lagi ng lakas at good health para makapaghanap buhay ka pa dyan. Ingat palagi Ma. Like ko sinasabi, balang araw, makakabawi din ako sa iyo, Ma. Mahal kita, Ma. Mahal na mahal ka namin, ng pamilya ko. Lagi ka mag-iingat. I love you, Ma.
Dear Mommy, I just want to take a moment to tell you how much I love and appreciate you. You've always been there for me through the ups and downs, and I don't know what I'd do without you. Your guidance, support, and unconditional love mean the world to me. I'm so grateful for the sacrifices you've made for me, for the late nights and early mornings, for the times you've put my needs before your own. You're an incredible role model, and I strive every day to make you proud. Thank you for being my rock, my confidant, and my best friend. I love you more than words can express. Ay etong kalaunay, Mother, we love you. With all my love, Eros Noah P. Pablo.
Mother's Day, Ma. Alagaan mong sarili mo at mag-iingat ka dyan, Ma. Tandaan mo, Ma, mahal na mahal ka namin. Love you, Muaps.
Happy Mother's Day, Ma. I love you. Ingat ka dyan palagi. Mahal na mahal ka namin. Mwah.
Happy Mother's Day, Mommy. Thank you po for always being there. I love you. Enjoy your day. Mother's Day, May. Thank you sa pag-alaga mo at pagsuporta sa amin. We hope that patuloy ka pang bigyan ng lakas ni Lord at maging blessing ka sa mga nasa paligid mo. Enjoy your day. God bless. Love you, May.
Hola, darling. Happy Mother's Day. Ingat ka dyan lagi. Magpatuloy ka lang sa pag-serve kay Lord. Yun ang number one na dapat gawin mo.
1, 2, 3. Feliz Dias de las Madres.
Sa bali mo. Hola darling, good morning. Happy Mother's Day. Salamat sa lahat-lahat na sakripisyo na ginagawa mo sa family natin. Patuloy ka lang na mag-serve kay Lord. Yun ang pinaka-importante na gawin mo. Stay humble lagi. Love you.
Blessed Mother's Day, Mama! Hello, Ma! Salamat po sa lahat ng inyong ginawa. Salamat din po sa mga sacrifices niyo po para sa amin and sa mga advices niyo po. And we appreciate you so much, Mama. Love you po.
Hello, Mama. Thank you so much po sa lahat ng support niyo sa amin ni Ate and sa love po na niyo. Hope to see you soon po.
Hi, Mom. I would like to greet you a happy Mother's Day. I am grateful to God for giving me a loving, caring, generous to all the people around you. You are wonderfully made by God. Daddy and I are blessed to have a godly mom like you. I love you.